Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Irfan Aroyan from class TI 23T and my study number is 2023004011. I will presentation about data structure. The first is linked list data structure. What is linked list data structure? Linked list data structure is one of the data structure used to store and organizing data. A linked list consists of a number of data elements arranged sequentially. Each element is connected by a link called a node. Actually, is a linked list there are head and tail trunk. Okay, one head is the element that is in the first position in a linked list. And two, tail is the element that is in the last position in the linked list. So head is in the first position and tail is in the last position. Linked list function. Linked list has several important functions, including storing and managing data in a certain order, facilitates the addition and deletion of data dynamically without having to save other data, as in the implementation of variance algorithm and other data structure such as stack and queue. Types of linked lists. One, linked list single. In a single linked list, each node has one pointer that points to the next node. The sequence linked list start from the first node and the last node point to node. So, a sample single linked list. This is a first star. This is head and last is tail or null. This is example in Python. Next, double linked list. In a double linked list, each node has the pointer, one that points to the previous node and one that points to the next node. Each head and tail also point to null. So, example, this is the first star, so null, and last null. So its head and tail also point to null. I have a example in Python. In Replit. Okay, next. 3. Circular linked list. Circular linked list is a linked list where the pointer of the last node tail point back to the first node head, forming a circle so there are no pointers pointing to null. So the circular linked list divided two, namely one circular single linked list and two circular double linked list. Next, linked list operation. Traversal. Access each element of the linked list. Add a new element to the linked list. Direction. Removes the existing element. Search. Feed a node in the linked list. And sort the nodes of the linked list. Okay, next, the second is stack data structure. What is stack data structure? A stack is a linear data structure that follow the principle of last in, first out, LIFO. It means that the last element insert to the stack will be the first element out. In programming terms, the effort to add element to the start data structure is called fuzz, while the process of deleting or removing data element from the stack is called pop. Example in real life: stack of dishes, file of newspaper. Next, before fancifully. Fancifully. From the figure, it can be seen that although the three element is the last to be added, it is the first to be deleted. The This operation is called the LIFO, last in, first out, principle of operation. We can implement a stack with programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, or C#. Basic operation of stacks. 1. Push. Add an element to the top of a stack. 2. Pop. Remove an element from the top of the stack. Is empty. Check in the stack is empty. Is full. Check is the stack is full. Fake. Get the value of the top element without removing it. Okay, this is example in Python. The last slide I saw the example in Python. Okay, the third is Q data structure. What is Q data structure? Qs are linear data structure that follow the first in, first out FIFO principle. This means that the first element put into the stack will be the first element out. In programming terms, added element to a queue data structure is called NQ, while the process of deleting or removing data element from the queue is called the queue. Example in real life. 1. Printer job queue on a network. 2. Customer queue at a bank. 3. Movie theater counter queue and others. 4. Principally. From the image about Astagfirullah. Before principally. From the image above, it can be seen that the first element is the first to be added. The element is also the first to be deleted. This operation is called the FIFO, in, first out operation principally. We can implement a structure with programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, or C Sharp. Basic operation of Q and Q. Add an element to the end of the queue. The queue remove an element from the front of the queue. Is empty. Check if the queue is empty. Is full. Check if the queue is full. Fix. Get the value of the front of the queue without removing it. This is a sample in Python. Okay, finish my presentation. Uh, I show the sample Python in Replit. Okay, this is linked list single linked list. This is a sample in Python about single linked list. Okay, I run. Nah, this is a single linked list. So one is okay. Nah, one uh, this is okay. I have two data. This is ball and it. I delete data. Okay, this is. Oh, sorry. Wait. Nah, so I have single linked list one. This is okay. Next, next. Okay, example in Python about stack data structure. Okay. This is stack data structure from Python. Now I can push or input data. Okay. Example is ball, object ball. Next, I push again is a game. Nah, okay. This I remove. I can remove data. A stack data structure have a principal default last in first out. So the last input data, this is a game. So remove. Apa? Nah, object game dihapus. So the game object game di remove. Next, example in Python about queue data structure. Is sample queue data structure in Python. So I run that. Sorry, I description in bahasa. Jadi dalam menu aplikasi queue ini kita dapat menginput dan dapat menghapus. Contohnya itu satu, kita memilih input NQ, masukkan objek yang lain inginkan. Oke, sampel list checkbox telah ditambahkan. Next, I input again. Again, this is games. Okay, okay. Next, I remove. Saya ingin menghapus objek data sesuai dengan prinsip dari QData Structure itu menggunakan prinsip pivot first in first out. So, jadi ya, data yang akan dihapus itu adalah ball. This is object ball in remove. Okay. So finish about presentation. And sorry, my English is bad. I am Muhammad Irfan Naroyan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.